What's up, YouTube? This is Brandon S, and we're going to be reacting, if you can guess what it is. Some people call it the Travis Scott meal. Some people call it the Travie Patty, but I call it a sandwich. Now, I don't know if y'all can read this. It's probably going to be backwards or something, but it says the Travis Scott no ketchup, because I don't eat with ketchup. I don't eat anything with ketchup. So, now, let's first try the fries to make sure the fries still taste like fries. Yep, tastes like fries. Let's taste the Sprite to see if it still tastes like Sprite. Yes, tastes like Sprite. Now, time for the Travis Scott burger. What the fuck? Yo, I'm on McDonald's ass right now. Tell me how the patty is halfway off the burger. The fuck? That's fucking great. It's a mess, so it wasn't handled with Travis Scott care. But we're gonna try it anyway. If I can, okay. Okay. Yeah, let's try it. Now, I've never had a quarter pounder with bacon, but that was pretty good. I mean, it's not pretty good, it's lit! Now, yeah, that's about it. I mean, it's a short video. This is Brandon Lee saying to like and subscribe to it if you can and must, and enjoy tomorrow's video. I mean, I'll see you tomorrow, I guess. Adios.